This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link PayPal to your bank account. First, securely log into your PayPal account, either through your web browser or the mobile application. Once logged in, locate and click on the Wallet section. It is usually prominent on your dashboard. Having your bank's routing and account numbers nearby will make this process very smooth and quick. This initial step sets the foundation for secure money transfers. Now, within your wallet, select the Link a Bank Account option. You will then be prompted to enter your bank's specific details. Carefully type in your 9-digit routing number, which directs PayPal to your particular financial institution. Next, input your complete bank account number, double-checking for any errors. Finally, specify whether this is a checking or savings account. Accuracy here is very important for proper linking and future transactions. Take your time to get these details right. To verify your ownership, PayPal will send 2 small, random microdeposits to your bank account. These typically arrive within 2 to 3 business days, so keep an eye on your bank statements or online banking portal. Each deposit will be a unique amount, usually less than $1, and they are crucial for the next step. This is a standard security measure designed to confirm that you are indeed the legitimate owner of the bank account you are attempting to link. Patience during this brief waiting period is key. Once you see those microdeposits in your bank account, return to your PayPal account and go back to the Wallet section. You will find a prompt to confirm your bank. Click on the Pending Bank Account link and then carefully enter the exact 2 amounts of the microdeposits you just found in your bank statement. It is critical to input these figures precisely as they appeared. Correctly entering these amounts finalizes the verification, securing your bank connection with PayPal and making it ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.